Hi, this is Emily the Songbird, and today we are going to explore the key of G as in relation to the circle game, one of the most beautiful Joni Mitchell songs. The key of G, it starts in G and ends in G. So G, A, B, C, D, E. We have an F sharp in the key of G, and then we have the root. So the chords that relate to the key of G, it's the same pattern that I've been going over, but G chord, so it's a major to an A minor, which is the second is a minor, B minor is the third, and it goes to a C major, a D major, an E minor, and then an F sharp diminished, which we don't even need to focus on the diminished chords right now. I don't want to confuse anybody because we're not using that in this song. So anyway, really good to practice that. You can do movable major scale to practice that, the notes in the G major scale, and do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. There's the F sharp that leads back to the root in that G. So, and also just practicing, you know, those chords. And again, I wouldn't worry about the diminished yet. It doesn't really pertain right now. So anyway, I hope those chords are helpful, and I hope you have a magical and musical day.